Now dear friends, so see here there is a drawing like this. So we need to complete this drawing by using relative polar coordinate system. So see here. So for this, so what should we do first? So this is the point. From here I need to start. So it is the value at the rate distance 0 less than 0 degree. So this is the angle. See, you need to remember these angles. So it is 0 degree and this is 90 degree and this is 180 degree and this is 270 degree. So you need to remember all these angles while drawing in relative polar coordinate system. See, I need to start with, so I am taking line. So I am giving the first point as at the rate 0 less than 0 and press enter. So the point is starting here and now we need to go here. So we need to go here. So what is the value? So the distance is 16. See, at the rate 16 less than 0 degree angle. This is in 0 degree, right? So at the rate and distance I need to move 16 less than 0 and press enter. So see, this is the 16 line. So I want to reach to here. So what is the distance? So see here it has given 2. So we need to move 2. So at the rate, so 2 less than 90 degree. So it is in upward direction. So upward is 90 degree. So at the rate 2 less than 90 and press enter. Now we need to come here. So this is the point we need to reach. So in the x direction we need to move 2 and it is corresponding angle is 0 at the rate 2 less than 0 and press enter. So we have reached here and see here we need to reach here. So what is the distance? So it is here 4. So at the rate 4 less than, to top I need to move, so 90 degree and press enter. So now I need to move here. So the distance is 2. So at the rate 2 less than, so from here we are going to the left hand side, in the negative side. So it is the corresponding angle is 180. So 2 less than 180 and press enter. Now we need to move up in the distance 2. So we need to give the value at the rate 2 less than 90 and press enter. And see, we need to reach here. So see, we need to go back. So this is the coordinate value and we need to go back at 4. So at the rate 4 less than 180 degree. The corresponding angle is 180. So we need to give the value 4 less than 180 and press enter. And now we need to move up. So from here we need to move up. The corresponding angle is 90 degree here. And at the rate, the distance I need to move 4 less than 90 degree. So this is the coordinate value. At the rate 4 less than 90 degree and press enter. So and now we need to move here. So from here we need to move. So the distance is 2. I need to move in the 180 degree angle. So at the rate 2 less than 180 and press enter. See, I am here and now I need to move up. See, I need to move up at a distance 2 in the corresponding angle 90. So at the rate 2 less than 90 and see, I need to move here. So with a distance of 4 I need to move in 180 degree. So at the rate 4 less than 180 degree I need to move. And now so I need to move here. So from here I need to move. See, to a distance of 2. So the coordinate value at the rate 2 less than 270 degree. Because it is the point, right? See, It is the point from here. If you want to move downwards, so the corresponding angle is 270. So at the rate 2 less than 270, and we need to move to the left hand side from here. So with a distance of 2 and the corresponding angle is 180. So at the rate 2 less than 180 and press enter. And see, we need to move in the downward direction from here at a distance of 4. So at the rate 4 less than 270 is the coordinate value of this. See, so the previous point, so you need to put the cursor, see, like this to the previous point, and you need to calculate the coordinate value of the next point and the corresponding angles related to that, so that you will get the corresponding values relating to that. And we need to move here, so put the coordinate system of the polar coordinate system here, and what is the corresponding angle and in which direction we are going. So once check, see how much we are going, 4, at a distance of 4, and the corresponding angle 180 we need to go. So 4 less than 180 and press enter. And now we need to come down at a distance in the direction 270 degree. So at the rate 2 less than 270, and see, we need to move to the back. So the distance is 2. The same distance applies here also. So the distance from here to here is also, the distance is 2 only. So at the rate 2 less than 180 degree I need to move, and see, we need to reach here. So at the rate 4, the distance is 4 and less than corresponding angle I need to move downwards, so it is 270 degree. At the rate 4 less than 270 degree we need to give, and see here we need to give the value to here. So 2 distance we need to move in right hand side. So at the rate 2 less than 0 degree is the corresponding angle, and see, we need to move here. So we need to come downwards with a distance of 2. So at the rate 2 less than 270 degree and press couple of times enter, so that it will come out from the command. So by using this relative polar coordinate system, so you can calculate the coordinate values and you can complete the drawing by using this system. So you can view the dimensions here also by going into this linear dimension. Once check all the dimensions we have given correctly. See, all the dimensions are similar to that dimension. So you need to complete this drawing like this. See, this is 4, this is 4, 2, 2, 4, 2, 4. So this is 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. Everything is perfect, and it is 16, it is 20, and it is 2. See, like this you can complete your drawing by using this relative polar coordinate system. And there is a practice drawing for you. So I am changing, so the value is very less. I am changing this, the text size and arrow size, so that it is clearly visible for us. See, all these dimensions are perfectly we have given. So the drawing has completed like this by using relative polar coordinate system. And similarly, there is a practice drawing for you. So I have already calculated the coordinate values. Once check how those coordinate values are getting, and you can practice by using this relative polar coordinate system once in your systems. So if you practice more and more, you will become perfect by using coordinate systems and in using commands also. So in the further videos, we will be going into the difficult drawings. So once follow this channel so to learn perfectly the AutoCAD.